Okay, this was um your test question 1 to 3. So for question 1, we'll start from question 1. They said draw the orthographic projection of this structure in third angle projection. You understand? So third angle projection is going to be looking like this. Our plan front, then our side stays here. So this is our third angle is going to be. So let's sketch out the views. So this is the front view, the place noted X. I think is actually clear to us. So the place noted X is our front view. Now, our front view is going to be looking like this. Front view will be like this, like this. I think this side is simple now, easy. This one goes up, stay like this, come down. Then this side looking like this. So this is the front view. Then this part now, this hollow parts will budge in. So when I trace it, should be around here. This is the way I do it. This edge here, I trace it out to this place, bring it down. So this side, my broken line will be arranged here. You understand? So these are the front view look like. I'll go to my plan. My plan should be looking like this. These are my plan will be. Then I have this like this like this. You understand? Then this place that is visible here, I won't see it from the plan. So when I trace it out like this, it should be like this. Then this one like this. Same thing applies to this. When I trace this one out like this, so around here, this place should have a broken line here, another broken line here, broken line here, another broken line here. Okay, so with this, can go over to this other side. That's my side view from this place. From this place, I will see this wall and this wall. Then this line at the middle. That's this wall here, this wall here. Then closing up with this. For me, this thing is very long. Looking at it from here, if I should trace this out, trace this side out. I show you this is supposed to be just small here. So meaning it's going to just be small. Then this place. As I'm going to just go down like this. Understand? Then this place, when I take this out here, so it should be somewhere around here. Understand? That's where my broken line will be. Then I also have this hollow part that moved in somewhere around here. Okay. So that place to also have our broken line. Understand? So this is how the three views is going to look like. So using their dimensions, I will now have to draw. Now when you want to draw, please be careful so you know the total length. Because imagine drawing and you just realize that there is no space to draw the other part of the drawing. It's so painful because you have to start from beginning. Pray that does never happen to you. So we have 70 as the total height here. Then here I have 50. 70 plus 50, that's 120. So we are going to reserve 120 at this side plus the other miscellaneous. So let's say we are reserving, let's reserve like, okay, so I think this side can do the work. This length can actually do the work. So the length from here to here, we have this side to this side from here is 100, then here to here is 50, that's 150. So 150. Okay, so I think this side can actually do what we want it to. Then I'm drawing this and coming over to this side. Coming over to this, balance your 8 and 10. Do this. Then from here you have 1 centimeter each side. Come here, 1 centimeter here. Okay, so let's continue. They told us that from here to this end is 100. I'll come here, measure 100. You have to be fast. You understand? So here to here 100. Can come to this side. Observe the 100. So it's somewhere around here. I'll project upward. Understand? So this side from here to here, that's is going to be 10 plus 30 plus 10. That's 50. So I'm measuring 50 here. Please, I actually changed some of the values that was given to you people. So I'll come here, close this like this, come to this side. Do the same. Now they told us that it is of 10, 10 here, 10 here, then the middle is 30. So I'm putting 10, 10, and 30. Then from the middle here, which is 50, I'll locate 25. Then from 25, they say this thing is have span of, this now span of 10. So I'll balance the 10 at the middle. From here to here, they told us that here to here is 30. From here to here is 30. So I'll measure 30. Come here, measure 30. Then I have this side. Use this one. Placing it here. Sorry. They say this part is 30. 30, that's 15. The middle. Okay, you can also project it down. You get why. Take this one out. Take this one too. Take it out. So after doing this, you can come over to this view. This view they told us that here to here is 7C from our question. Please, this is what we are working with. So I think it's visible enough here. You can screenshot this. So let's continue. So I have 7C here. So here is 7C. Then from here to here, those that is 30. That's this side. Understand? So they said from here to here is they not give us here to here. That's this side. But they give us here to here, and here to here is 25. So from this 7C, I'm measuring 25. Okay, please, that was a mistake. So from that side we have 15. Here to here the length is 15. Okay. Then from that side to this side I have 30. Understand? So I have 30 there. So here is 25, right? I'm drawing 25 here. This stuff I did, I'll project it out. So it's going to aid my last view. Project this one out too. So at this side, I'm connecting this to this. Okay. Then here is going to be having my broken line. Okay. Now there's a slanted line here which is drawn at an angle of 65. So I'll balance to get 65. 65 is here. So I'll draw, connect to it. Do the same here. 65. Connect, same is here. After doing that, they say the height is 10. So I'll measure 10. So this is 10 here. 10 here. Can come over to this side, do 10 too. Start doing that. Drawing this. So from here I can now shade it. Just like this. Understand? So close this side up. At this part, I'll project it upward. So with this, I can put my broken line. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to come over to this side. Okay, so I will be drawing this side. They say here to here, according to what I'm having here, is 50. According to what I'm having is 50. So I'll come here, measure 50. The height 70. That's what we're having here. Come here, measure 52. Then here what we had was 10, 30, 10. Abi? We measure 10, 30, 10. So I have 10 here, 30. Can draw it down. Okay. This part you are seeing, this hollow part, you can choose to stop here or down. So I'll be getting to the bottom itself. So I'll put this here. Over to this side, do the same thing. Then this part you are seeing, which is this, it says that the middle one is 10. So middle, so just take all this, can take them out. You can see it's connecting. Normally you're supposed to connect before drawing, but I highly recommend you do this one first. Because when you do it, your work will be perfectly aligned. Understand? And you can manipulate a little. So with all this, you are done with this. Just put your dimensions and you are done. For the sake of time, I'll not be dimensioning this stuff. The other videos that I made on orthographic projection, you'll see the proper way to dimension. Like I said, for the sake of time, I have other videos to still do. And we just have today and tomorrow to learn this. So I'll be going into the next video. So we asked to draw the sectional view in the question number 2. So what you have to do there is the sectional view passed through the center, the cutting plane, it passed through the center of this structure itself. Then they ask you to observe it from um this X arrow. Understand? So the cutting plane is AB, cutting plane AB. So first draw what you can see. And what I can see is 100 by 70 abi. This is what I can actually see, excluding these hidden details. So I'm drawing it. But please, for the sake of time, let's just work with the one we have done already. This is the front view. This is how you are supposed to present it first. You understand? without these hidden details. Now, when you cut through this diagram, where is it? Please, for the sake of time, when you cut through this diagram, when you cut through this diagram, the cutting plane will affect every of this structure, beginning to end of this structure, excluding this curved parts, because this side will go off, remaining this side. So excluding this part and the wedge. This web we don't section it. You understand? The wing we don't section it. We leave it like that. That's this side you are seeing. So this part initially from here you could not see this side, but when you cut it, this side becomes visible. So since it becomes visible, please, I'm just using this one now to explain sectional view. In sectional view, you bring out only this. You don't present it in this form. You bring out only this view here. But because of time, or for the sake of time, I don't have to bring it out again. I just want to explain. Please, hope it's clear. So when I sketch this out, this will be like this, complete. You understand? So making me to see this other part of the structure, me to see it. So when I'm sketching, it's passed through every of these parts, like I told you earlier. So following the method that I've been explaining since in all the videos. Understand? So this is the only part. So after doing this, you just have to put your dimension, and that's your question number 2, the answer to the question. So moving over to the third one. The third one, you ask to construct a boat. Construct a boat and a knot. So that one is also simple.